Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best Amazon fresh flowers available in the market right now.
The Benchmark Bouquets Charming Roses in Alstroemeria. If you're looking for the perfect gift or just want to treat yourself to some beautiful blooms, you're in the right place. These Benchmark Bouquets combine elegance and freshness, featuring a stunning arrangement of roses in Alstroemeria, complete with a glass vase for that extra touch of sophistication. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or any special occasion, these flowers are designed to impress.
Let's talk about what makes these flowers stand out.
They arrive fresh and ready to brighten any space. The combination of roses in Alstroemeria not only looks gorgeous but also offers a long vase life, thanks to their freshness and quality.
Just look at these colors.
The delicate pink roses in vibrant Alstroemeria are arranged beautifully, creating a balanced and eye-catching display.
It's clear why these are a popular choice on Amazon.
Wondering how to make these beauties last longer? It's simple.
Upon arrival, just trim the stems.
Remove any leaves that will be submerged in water, and place them in a clean vase filled with water mixed with the flower food provided.
Let's unbox these together.
The packaging is secure, ensuring that your flowers arrive in pristine condition. Benchmark Bouquets pays attention to detail, ensuring a delightful unboxing experience from start to finish. As someone who appreciates quality and aesthetics, I can confidently say that these Benchmark Bouquets exceed expectations. Whether you're treating yourself or surprising a loved one, these flowers make a statement and bring joy. That wraps up our review of the Benchmark Bouquets Charming Roses in Alstroemeria.
If you're interested in bringing a touch of elegance and freshness into your home or gifting someone special, I highly recommend checking them out.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.